So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone 14 screen just is not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. But number one, the very first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about is to go through and basically performing a force restart. So go through and press and quickly release the volume up button, the down button, and then press and quickly release or hold down the side button right after. So it look like this: volume up, volume down, and then hold down that side button until your either screen, kind of goes off if you see a little bit of it, or just keep holding it down for about like 25 seconds. And until you see the Apple logo, if you see an Apple logo come up, you want to let go of that power button. So keep holding it down. When you see the Apple logo, let go. And most probably your particular device should go through and kind of just kickstart into place. Now, sometimes that might not happen either. You might have to go through and basically charge your phone and make sure it's fully charged or at least partially charged before trying to turn it on. So go through, try holding down that power button again, and try basically letting it kind of, power up. Most of the time that might end up fixing it as well. Now, if you have any accessories plugged in, like a USB-C or Lightning accessory, or this one doesn't have USB-C, but a Lightning accessory, or like a MagSafe accessory of some sort that's sucking up power, you would want to kind of unplug everything and see if you're able to kind of fix it that way. Because sometimes that can also kind of cause some problems there too. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.